Still early in his career, number 68, Manny Flywheel, is fast becoming one of the most consistent gearheads on the circuit. He's also the proud spokesman for his sponsor, N20 Cola, which contains nitrous to give you that extra pep in your engine. Though, ironically, Manny himself cannot drink the product and still race legally. That's quite an interesting fact, if you ask me, or an interesting statistic, should I say. Because Manny Flywheel can still race in the Piston Cup, which is probably the highest, class of, racing in, probably the entirety of, the US. The US of A, baby. 4th of July. It's shocking if you ask me. Now, his vehicle type is a Crown Celesta, though, his die-cast resembles a Capital Motors Verve XT. The same goes for a Vuezine racer, Ryan Shields too. Trying to think of some Crown Celestas. Misty Motocross. Think Davy Apex. I'm just reading off the wiki, Pixar Cars wiki, by the way. Ryan Shields, Ruby Easy Oaks. That's it for the Carbon Piston Cup races. Course number 68, purple. Quite unique, if you ask me. I mean, when have you ever seen a purple Piston Cup racer? That's not an N20 Cola racer. There's something to think about. Still number 68, with sort of lime green two-tone swoosh going down the side. Yeah, I like it. It actually complements the purple really well. Still, I actually quite like the N20 Cola logo. Looks quite modern. You know what I mean? Because of the bubbles. Is that coming out of the logo? Well, I guess that could be because it's a carbonated drink. So, just me. I thought so. And it has 5 window bars, which, not unusual for a Piston Cup racer. Which, I can't complain about. But what I can complain about is the colour. Look at the colour of the window bars, and now look at the colour of the actual body. Yeah, completely different. The window bars are more like an actual pink colour, not purple. Kind of annoys me, that does. I dropped him. Sorry. Number 68, N20 Cola. I'm not sure if every Cars 1 Piston Cup racer has the number on the rear tail light. I don't know. Hold on, I've got Sage Van der Spin. He seems to have a number 80. He's a different model than him. I need to find that out. If all the Cars 1 Piston Cup racers have the number on the rear tail light. That's something for you and I to find out. Have a great day, folks!